Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is jercallora. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn any photo into an NFT art that you can sell to a marketplace so you can earn money. In this method, guys, you don't have to be um, a graphic designer, nor you don't need to be a professional in Photoshop because we're gonna be using an artificial intelligence to create this art for you that you can sell to any marketplaces, guys, so you can earn money. So let's get started. So the um, the app that I'm gonna show you guys is called Creator Night Cafe Studio. So if you go to google.com, and then what you can do is search on nightcafe.studio. I'm gonna put this link down in the description of this video so you guys can easily find it. So go to nightcafe.studio, click on that link, and then it will take you to the official website, which is nightcafe.studio. And then what you're gonna do, guys, is as you can see, there are you can explore what's on their website, and what you can do is click on uh, create, and then this will take you to the um, art creation page, which you can select what type of method that you can use to um, create your own art or NFT art that you can sell. Right, guys? So there are two options right here that you can use. The first option is you can turn any text to an image or a video, but in our case, we are gonna turn any photo to a an NFT or um, to our new masterpiece, right? So we're gonna click on style transfer, turn your photo into a masterpiece because we're gonna create our NFT, right? So we're gonna click on this one. All right, so once we do that, we'll now have an option to add on our image, or uh, also to add our style image. So let me explain to you guys what are the differences between these two images that we are going to upload or use, because we can upload our own image, or we can use free royalty images right here that we can use to create our NFT design. All right, so let me demonstrate how this works. um, Input image, you can choose an image. All right, so if you go to library, you can select, you can upload your own image right here. Let's say if you want to use a panda or a gorilla to represent your NFT design or NFT art, then you can do that by uploading that image right in this upload section right here. But in this case, I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys. um, just we're going to choose any image right in the under royalty free images. We can turn that into an NFT art, right? So we're gonna go to free images, and we're gonna search for let's say we'll just pick a random image in this gallery right here. So let me choose an image. Can't find. So uh, for demonstration purposes, we're just going to pick this one right here and select this one. All right. So once we've selected an image, now we can choose a style that represent the style of our primary image right here. What we can do is click on style image, choose a style, and then there are tons of presets right here that we can use. We can use Starry Night, Never Be Like You. Wow, there are many things. There are many presets right here that you can use to to put a style or a design into your image, right? You can choose whatever presets you like. So in this case, we're gonna pick a random one. Let's say I'll just pick this one right here. Choose that one right there. Now, that's it, guys. All you have to do now is to click on create this create button right here. Now you can also select a resolution right here, medium resolution or higher resolution, but you're gonna have to pay for medium or higher resolution. For low resolution, they're gonna give you a free credit, which is 1 credit, and you're gonna use that credit to download the image for free. All right, so we're gonna use this low resolution for now as our resolution to create this NFT art right here. So we're gonna click on create, and now what we're going to do, guys, is to wait for this until, because it's now in quid, and after this it's gonna process, and it will gonna take care of us the creation of the NFT that we've created. So we're gonna wait a few minutes to and then we're going to view our creation. Okay, so I'm gonna post this video, guys, and we'll get back to once the rendering of the NFT art that we have created has been has been finished. All right, so let me get back to you after this finish. All right, guys, so the rendering of our image has been finished, and we can now view our creation. So as you can see, this is the original image right here that we use, and this is the style, and this is the output of the image that we've created. Now we can view our creation, and then this will redirect us to our creation page. You can you can edit the title of the creation. You can also add this description right here, and you can if you wanna add copy protection, you can do that right here, but that's not necessary. um, you can download this one, guys, by right click and save this right here, or by clicking this download button right here. This will redirect you. This will automatically download your creation right here. Now there are a lot of things that you can do right here. You can also biofriend, enhance. You can enhance this photo. You can enhance your creation by clicking on this. You can also duplicate this creation right here. Since we are selling this, since we are we're converting an image into an NFT, what you can do is download that image, or download your creation, and then upload to your favorite NFT marketplaces like OpenSea or Solana, and there are multiple, or there are other NFT marketplaces out there that you can use to to sell your creation. All right. Um, Now, if you wanted to to create another creation, you can do that as well. But I highly suggest that you guys would um, create your account, because you're not totally uh, creating your account in the Night Cafe Studio, because if you go to your account settings, and you're not fully your account is not fully activated yet, and if if you refresh this page, the whole thing or your collections will be gone, because you're not a fully verified member of Night Cafe. What you're gonna do, guys, is go to settings, account settings, and edit profile, and then click on set one up now. and then connect your your Facebook account, your Google, and if you wanted to create your with using your password, then you can do that as well, right? You can view all collections right in this sections right here. um, if you want to duplicate this creation, you just click on this duplicate right here, and then you can reset, and by choosing a same image, and then replace this style right here, and you can choose different style, because if you want to create a different style or different collections in your um, NFTs, and you want to upload the collections in here, what you want to do is to create multiple styles in your primary image, right? So you can use this style image right here, select a preset to to create another style or another collection, another image style to add into your collection, right? um yeah. So uh that's it, guys. So you can explore this app into your own time, so that way you can have better understanding on how to use this app. And yeah, so that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope this helps you if you want to create your own NFT art collections, without having to be a graphic designer, or without knowing how to learn Photoshop, or without knowing how to learn how to code, because creating NFTs, you need to have a lot of skills. But using this AI generator right here, artificial intelligence, now you can create your own NFT art in just a matter of seconds, right? So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you did, guys, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. If you have some questions, just leave it down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all these questions that you have. See you in the next video. Bye.